National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for St. Mary Parish in south central Louisiana until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Frequency mode.
Damage here. Since then, a lot of the homes have been lifted up, and that's helping.
Producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morgan City, Franklin, Patterson, Jeanette, Linwood, Bayou Vista, Baldwin, Patterson Memorial Airport, Sheraton, Soil, Glencoe.
Chat, we got a flash flood warning.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
You got anything you want to say on YouTube?
You're filming?
Yeah, I'm filming with my camera right now. Say anything?
No, I'm good.
Okay.